I found one of the best new AI tools of all time for creators. Imagine an AI that not only creates engaging content instead of the usual boring, generic ones, but also turns your text into any video character and even edits better than 99% of human editors. This tool is designed to save us massive amounts of time, help us get more views, subscribers, followers, and ultimately generate more revenue. Make sure you stick around to the end, because this tool will blow you away. Hello everyone, welcome to the AI Leverage channel. Today we're diving into one of these groundbreaking tools, Flicky AI. It's an amazing tool that effortlessly turns your written scripts into dynamic videos. And yes, it's a free text-to-video AI generator. Excited to see how it transforms your content creation process? Let's jump right in. Step 1. Signing up. First, click the link in the description below this video to sign up for Flicky AI. It's free to get started with this free AI text-to-video generator, and the setup process is quick and easy. You can use Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or email to create your account. But I prefer to use my Google account. Step 2. Creating your first video. After logging in, go to the top right corner and click on New File. You can name it whatever you like, but for the sake of this tutorial, I will name it Tutor. Under the New File, you will see different options: video, audio, and design. But I will click on video. And then under the video option, you will see language, dialect, aspect ratio, and start with options. Obviously, under language, I will choose English. For dialect, you can leave it as US English. Then under aspect ratio, you see another option. These features are excellent for anyone looking to create videos quickly, especially YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Facebook Reels, and many more. For the sake of this tutorial, I will choose landscape for YouTube video, and then let's click on Start With, and then click on Idea Prompt. Step 3. Inputting your prompt. Let's bring your video to life. Just type in your video's concept. For example, if your topic is easy Instagram growth tips, write that down and describe how you'd like the video to feel. And then click on Submit. Flicky AI, your free text-to-video AI generator, is smart. It understands your instructions and gets to work right away. Step 4. Generating content. Flicky AI will swiftly generate initial video segments based on your prompt. Step 5. Customizing video clips. If a particular video clip isn't fitting well, you can easily change it. Repeat this until you're happy with the selection, all within this free text-to-video AI generator. If you're finding this guide helpful and want to see more tips on using Flicky AI and other tools, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our new content. Now let's tweak our video settings. Step 6. Editing captions and voiceovers. It's time to edit captions and select a voiceover. Flicky AI offers a range of realistic voices, or you can record your own to personalize your video further, all at no cost with this free AI text-to-video generator. Step 7. Exporting your video. Everything looks good? Then, let's export your video. Click on Download, choose the desired video quality, and Flicky AI will handle the rest. Your video will be ready to download and share in no time. And there you have it! Using Flicky AI, you've just transformed your idea into a polished video, all through this free text-to-video AI generator. Now let's play our finished video.
Struggling to grow your Instagram? Unlock the secrets to boosting your followers and engagement effortlessly starting today. First, optimize your profile. A clear profile picture, compelling bio, and consistent theme set the foundation for your Instagram's growth. Content is king. Post high-quality, engaging content regularly. Use a mix of posts, stories, and reels to keep your audience.
You can try all other features Flicky AI offers to truly unleash your creativity. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave your questions or feedback in the comment section of the video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to watch the video at the end of the screen. You will absolutely love it.